welcome to my video presentation on Master Statistics and Measure for Language Data. I'm Nailatul Mufida. We are excited to share some essential concepts with you today. Let's start! In this presentation, we are going to explore 5 fundamental concepts that are super important. For the first is about correlation study, and then the second is about t-test, and then the third validity, the fourth reliability, and the last is about analysis of variance or ANOVA. Let's next slide. We will begin our discuss today by the first topic is about correlation study. What exactly is a correlation study? A correlation study is a research method that helps us to see the relationship between two or more variables. The main goal is to understand if a change in one variable is connected to a change in another. And I will give you some example from the correlation study. A positive correlation study has been demonstrated between the time spent studying for an exam and the subsequent exam score of a student. It means this demonstrates the relationship between study time and exam score. And for the type of t-test, here there are 3. The first, one sample t-test. This test is used to compare the mean of a single sample to a known or hypothesized population mean. For the second is independent sample t-test. This test is used to compare the mean of 2 independent groups. For the third type of t-test is about paired sample t-test. This test is used to compare the mean of 2 related groups, such as repeated measurement for the same individuals. As stated in An-Nisa, verse 58, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Innallaha ya'murukum an tu'addul amanati ila ahliha wa idza hakamtum bainan nas an tahkum bil adl. Al-ayah. This verse emphasizes the importance of fairness and accuracy, which align with the goal of statistical tests like the t-test to ensure our conclusions are fair and based on reliable data. Moving on to our second topic is about t-test. What is a t-test? T-test is statistical tool we use to figure out if there is significant difference between the average score of two groups. And for the purpose of t-test, it helps researchers decide whether the difference in average score is meaningful or just due to change. And for the type of t-test, here there are 3. The first, one sample t-test. This test is used to compare the mean of a single sample to a known or hypothesized population mean. For the second is independent sample t-test. This test is used to compare the mean of 2 independent groups. For the third type of t-test is about paired sample t-test. This test is used to compare the mean of two related groups, such as repeated measurement for the same individuals. As stated in An-Nisa, verse 58, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Innallaha ya'murukum an tu'addul amanati ila ahliha wa idza hakamtum bainan nas an tahkum bil adl. Al-ayah. This verse emphasizes the importance of fairness and accuracy, which align with the goal of statistical tests like the t-test, to ensure our conclusions are fair and based on reliable data. Now let's talk about validity. What is validity? It's about how well a test or instrument actually measure what it is. And here, why is validity is important? The first, help to ensure test result match the real ability or condition. And then for the second, prevent misleading conclusion in research or evaluation. And then for the last is increase the accuracy and usefulness of data. Next to type of validity, here there are three. The first is about content validity. This refers to how well a test instrument measure what it is intended to measure. And then for the second, construct validity is to ensure the test result truly reflect what they are intended to measure. And then for the last is criterion related validity. It examines whether the test accurately reflects the underlying idea or concept it aims to quantify. As stated in Al-Isra 81, remind us and say, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wa qul ja'al haqqu wa zahaqal batil innal batila kana zahuqa. This resonates with the idea of validity, seeking the truth in our measurement and ensuring our instrument truly that what is real and meaningful. Moving on to the fourth topic is about reliability. What is reliability? Reliability means how consistently. There are a few types of reliability. The first, test retest. It is consistency over time. And then for the second, internal consistency. It is consistency among items in one test. For the last, inter-rather. It means consistency between different rathers. For the meaning of Cronfa alpha, it's number that range from 0 to 1. Tell us how well the item in the questionnaire or the test measure the same concept. As stated in Hud 112 says, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Fastaqim kama umirta wa man taba maka fala tatghaw innahu bima ta'maluna basir. This reminds us to stay consistent and true to principle, much like how reliability ensures consistency in our measurement. Okay, our final statistical topic for today is analysis of variance or ANOVA. What is ANOVA? ANOVA is powerful statistical method used to determine If there are significant differences in the average score of three or more groups, it works by comparing the variation between this group to the variation within each group. Okay, for the next is about type of ANOVA. For the first is one-way ANOVA. This technique is used to test the effect of one independent variables on a dependent variable. And then the second, two-way ANOVA. This statistical technique is used to assess the interaction between two or more independent variables and how they affect a dependent variable. Especially when you have a factorial design, it helps you understand the effect of two factors, including how they might influence each other. For the last is repeated measure ANOVA. This technique also assesses the interaction between two or more independent variables and their effect on dependent variable in a factorial design. They to measure multiple times under different conditions or different point in time. Okay, for the last is about conclusion. In this presentation, we have explored 5 basic statistical concepts that are crucial for language research and assessment. For the first, correlation study help us identify relationship between variables. For the second, t-test is used to compare the average of two groups. For the third, validity is ensure the instrument accurately and to suppose. For the third, reliability, it is ensure consistent and stable research. For the last is ANOVA, allow us to compare the average of three or more groups. A strong understanding of this principle is essential for conducting accurate, valid, and reliable quantitative research in the field of education. Thank you so much for your watching. I hope this presentation has helped you master this important statistical, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.